Hey, hey, we're back with another
unboxing.
ThredUp mystery unboxing.
Oh, our favorite.
Our favorite. I know.
The last one wasn't bad.
The last one wasn't bad. The men's wasn't bad.
We learned what some of those brands were.
Yeah, I just need to get some of that stuff listed. That would be great.
Yes.
I listed 2 things, so that's a positive.
I got the tag off.
The security tag, yes. He did a little Googling. That came off. I have to wash that jacket still, though. So, welcome back. This box took forever to get here. I usually say, man, I just ordered this box on Friday and it came on Tuesday. This box took a while. I actually have ordered a couple boxes after this one, including that men's box, and already got it, did the video and everything. So this is the first time I have ordered the DIY t-shirts, 25 t-shirts, mixed size mystery bundle.
And tell me again, what is, like, these are t-shirts that you can use for DIY projects?
So the way they market this is it's DIY, aka it could have stains, rips, holes. Basically, all of their boxes are DIY except for the men's but it could be. They don't take men's clothing. So they don't really take t-shirts. Like if you look on their website, they don't really sell like a t-shirt. So why
this is essentially damaged goods.
T-shirts. Like this is a t-shirt, but this is like
a
but they wouldn't put this up on ThredUp even if it was a female shirt. You know what I mean? Like they just don't sell t-shirts. Okay.
Right.
So I've watched several of these unboxings. So here's the deal. This is one of their cheapest boxes. It's $28 plus $5.99 shipping. So what is that? $33.99. It makes the shirts $1.36 a piece. So I've watched a bunch of the unboxings, and sometimes you might get a couple pieces that you can turn around and sell and make your money back. That'd be great. And a lot of people buy this if they're into like the tie-dye, the bleach dye, or a girl that I watched was making some sort of pot holder. So yes, for projects, but oftentimes they're not damaged. They're just random. Like there might be a t-shirt from an event that we did. Yeah. Oh, the dog, he wants in. So anyway, my point of buying this was, as I said in the last video, I think at the end, I got rid of all my t-shirts, and I like to sleep in t-shirts and randomly wear t-shirts around the house. So I hope that there's some that are bigger sizes, like large, extra large, that I can just wear around the house. It'd be cool if there was 1 or 2 that I could sell and recoup my $34. And I just really love mystery boxes, and I stalked the website, and this was the only one available. The day I had been looking for 3 days, none. Oh, this one was available, so I bought it. So here we go.
Backstory.
That's the backstory. I know, don't they look nice?
And then cardboard like that.
It's fine. Okay, so here we go. Always comes with your little invoice. This box came from Mechanicsburg, in case you're wondering. They sealed it with 2 stickers. So I have watched, I wonder, the way that they're folded in here sometimes looks cool in other videos, but not the ones on top.
They're just in there.
They're just in here.
You can hold your lap the whole time?
Yeah, because I'm going to hand them to you.
Okay. I'll open them up.
Yep, let's see what we got.
Oh, an anchor.
An anchor. Oh, that's nice. Northeast, southwest. And that is H&M, size medium.
Medium. It looks like, oh.
It's men's.
Is it men's medium?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think, yeah. So it's just a normal t-shirt.
Small t-shirt,
but
with an anchor.
Yeah, I mean, you're not a medium, but.
I'm not a medium.
Okay, oh, this is LuLaRoe, size 2X. I didn't know. Okay, so it just has cruise on it. Obviously.
Like 90s fab.
This is exactly what I hoped for, because it's a 2X, but it doesn't look that large. But this is a night shirt, y'all. This is great to just wear around my house. Yeah. When I'm taking pictures.
It's nice.
Yeah, they must have. I know in the past, certain companies they probably had sell X amount of things and get to win a cruise. So that's probably a promotional type material.
Okay.
Oh, this is a throwback to when we started dating, babe.
Hurley, an XL. You wanted large.
Just a Hurley.
Hurley shirt.
It's been loved, which means it's nice and soft.
I see a little hole there, I think.
No, it's just a fuzzball.
Fuzzball. Never mind.
Okay, so I watched an unboxing of this. I can't remember the YouTuber. I often just search ThredUp Rescue, and that's how I find new people to watch and follow. She got like 6 of these in her box, so I'm assuming this was a store or something.
Oh, did you get the same shirt she did?
Yes, because they all had the same tag, made in the USA, VHLN design, and they were all $35 and $40, and it has the website, so she never followed up with what it was, but
another XL.
Yeah, so.
5 Nights at Freddy's. Ever heard of that one?
It's a video, not a video game. They got that stuff at Target with like the Harry Potter stuff.
I'll have to look that one up though, because I don't have a clue.
You never heard of that? It's like a scary thing. I don't know. We're not the youngest, I
No
suppose.
clue.
So.
I'm just not cool.
Okay, so this is how they fold them. Like, look at it. It's like a bunch of them like
Oh, and one.
folded. Oh, I see a long sleeve, maybe. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Oh, I like that.
Be kind.
That's nice. That's perfect. A perfect kind of lounge around t-shirt, and it's a large.
All right.
I love it. M&S. What is M&S? I know what that is. Marks and Spencer, I think, is the brand.
Maybe.
I think so. It just says M&S. It's a UK brand. Size medium.
Just a blue striped shirt.
So like things like this, like I'll look over it better, but like this one and that very first one that was H&M, that kind of stuff, maybe I could put a couple of those nice men's shirts together and get a couple bucks. Ooh, this is Madewell. Has a little spot on it, but I can maybe get that off. I like those colors.
Looks like a kid's size shirt though.
It's not. It's a size small, but
I mean, Keegan can fit in that.
cropped and tiny is in. So that's cute. Ooh, what is this? Can't tell what that is. What is it? Oh, it's lips from upside down.
Yep, you can say one further away. You can tell.
Okay, it looked like an eyeball upside down. But what?
Little drool action going on there.
Yeah, no idea. It just says Cotton Heritage, size medium.
Someone out there knows what that is.
Comfort Colors, made in Honduras.
What's the sleeve say?
Ivory Ella.
Ivory Ella says the same thing, yeah.
Yeah, Ivory Ella. I don't know if that
Show
is.
the back. So there's the front. And
This looks like, I love wearing this. Is small. I wish it was a medium. Small would be like snug on me, but I love wearing my long sleeve t-shirts. Do I see something else new with the tool? Come on. There's another bunch of them is bundled. Oops, sorry.
Hey.
Sorry, this one has tags.
Okay, new with tags. From
Aspen, Colorado. The
Say
T
T
Lazy
Lazy
7. What is that?
must be something there.
Oray sportswear, size large.
It's an old school snowmobile.
That's cool.
All
J.
right.
Crew, size large.
J. Crew. That's a thing still.
That is a thing still.
All right.
Superior, Michigan.
Oh, it's the Great Lakes.
Ah.
Took me a second. 'Cause I'm reading it backward on the screen. I didn't. So that's
I
for
like
you guys
it.
out there. I'm staring at the shirts too, figuring out what it is on camera. I'm like, I was like, oh, it's the Great Lakes.
I love that color on you. This is size large. Maybe you should keep that one. And
I mean,
the Great Lakes.
I don't.
We've
have
never
any
been there.
attachments. Well, I mean, I have been.
Oh.
I've been to Canada
Oh, right.
a few times.
Oh.
I've actually fished
Oh.
on Lake Ontario.
This is the perfect shirt that someone would like to bleach dye. Eddie Bauer, size large.
Just a long sleeve black V-neck. You can't see the V-neck in the.
Oh, nice V-neck.
There you go. All right.
See, sometimes people get like vintage tees or concert tees in these boxes that are worth a lot of money.
I mean, yeah, you might get something cool. What is this one?
It's Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, Springsteen. Okay, there you go.
And the Who band, the E.
The E Street Band.
Oh, I don't know.
I know you don't. It's okay.
It's Bruce Springsteen, size small. Ooh, I love this one.
Okay, you got a favorite?
We're in Orlando, y'all, which means we love something.
It's gonna be the house the mouse built.
Yay, I love it.
A Mickey shirt.
And it's brand new, and it's from Uni Loco.
Okay, watercolors though. It's cool.
Yeah, I like that. Is it women's? No, it's men's.
Men's large.
Oh, you're gonna steal that one? We go to Disney often,
I
and
won't
he
steal
likes
that.
to. We all wear our Disney clothes.
Wear Disney shirts. You know.
You can have that, and then I'll
festive.
steal it back from you when I want to wear it around the house. Okay.
Still more. There's more.
There's
folks.
more. 25 pieces it should be.
I haven't been counting.
Me neither, but ooh,
It
this
just
feels
feels like we got a lot
nice.
so far.
I love this brand, Next
So you
Level.
say,
That it's a medium, but this is one like Bella Canvas are the ones that
The
you can
band's visit.
like. Somebody probably had this shirt made.
Gotcha.
Answer me.
That's like the name of their show or something, probably.
I don't know.
And then that's some other language written.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's like Hindu or something like that.
Cool.
Not positive on
But it feels nice.
foreign languages.
All right, this is Soviet something built extra large.
Paris and says in the back.
Paris, New York, London.
And then their little logo also shows the American flag, British flag, and
It seems like
French flag.
it's
I'm guessing something
like a nice something. Like the brand, like the tag just looks nice. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is their Target. This is the kids. No, this is women's. There could be kids. This is a Halloween.
Based on the neck, I'm gonna say women's shirt.
Yeah, it's a women's size 8-10 medium. Now that I read it.
Is that from Sabrina?
No, it's just every year they have like a holiday.
Show?
Salem.
Salem. Yeah. Good job.
Why do I remember stuff like that?
Well,
But I
show
can't.
you watched, so I would.
Oh, this is cute.
It's totally a men's shirt.
No, it can be.
I can fit in this.
May the force be with you. Molly can fit that. See, we love wearing all of our Disney
Star
gear.
Wars shirt though, extra small.
Yeah, extra small is usually a 4 or 5, and that's her. That's
I like
cute.
it. I like it.
See, we are one of those people who like. I have a denim box coming, and people get kids stuff, and they're always like, kid stuff. But we've got 3 kids, and the chances of them fitting in things runs high because they're all in different sizes. Pro Edge Knights by Knights Apparel. What team is that?
No clue.
Oh.
Again, looks like a women's shirt though.
Like, is that like a high school or is it
Tapered.
Tigers? Since 1839, Michigan Tigers.
No, that's Memphis.
No, how do you know?
Just no sports.
Oh, that's a real team.
Yeah.
Memphis Tigers.
Just like the women's video you were watching last night. I'm like, that's TCU.
Oh.
And then afterwards, you're like, oh, it's TCU.
All right, down to the last little
College.
bundle. Okay, what do we got?
We got.
Sultan of SWAT.
Oh, is that from Sandlot?
JJ Watt. NP NFL.
Oh, it's a JJ Watt shirt. Okay, I did not know that was his
Pro
nickname.
merch. What is that?
JJ Watt, he's a football player. Right? So, see, it's from Texas because he used to play.
But what is the
Texas,
NFLPA?
the National Football League Players Association. But it has some paint
This is an extra large.
on it.
Oh, I see. Yeah, but this is so soft. This is
It
a nice
soft.
run around the house shirt.
I'm not up to date on his nickname. He just went to Arizona though. I didn't know that.
Oh, this is cute. Black and brown, super soft tee. Never heard of that. It's a men's large.
Black and brown. We have other stuff in our of that.
No,
I recognize.
I've never seen that brand label in my life. No.
Oh, I saw a bunch of it at Goodwill.
Probably.
That's what it was.
Probably. Orvis. I feel like
Yeah,
I've heard
a
of
lot
that. What is that?
Suits and stuff.
Orvis.
Orvis, no clue on that one.
Is it fishing?
Yeah, it's fly fishing.
Oh. So maybe it's
American,
like
American flag. Yeah,
something they sell at like one of the sports stores.
they sell something. Maybe it's a
Okay.
rod or reel manufacturer.
Doe. Size 1. Oh, perfect. No, thank you. But that feels so nice.
What is that?
No, thank you.
Oh, literally. No,
Literally, no, thank you.
I don't like that shirt.
I do. You got manners. No, thank you. And the last shirt. Oh my gosh. So it's Circo size 8-10, which is our kid's size, and he is going to love this.
Oh, that's perfect.
This is literally like he's outside, you guys, right now catching lizards. So this was a good box. I mean,
Yeah.
$35. Let's be honest. If I was shopping at Target and bought this, it would be $9.99 probably for Target full price. But you know, like, how many did we get?
Okay, count. So 1,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
ooh,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 on the money.
25. But in this one,
That was a good one though.
this brand new. I mean, their shirts are usually
And that Star Wars
$10 to
shirt,
$15.
the kids one.
It's brand new. I really like that. And there's a Star Wars shirt. Yeah, so I think this box served its purpose. Would I buy it again? Probably not, unless I was doing a project. That's cute. You know, can I sell a couple of these? Maybe. I don't know if it'll be worth my time, but I might. And I definitely got a few shirts that I wanted to just lounge when I'm my listing and taking photos days. I work from home anyway, so maybe a shirt or two that you could wear. So $1.36 a piece, $34, and it really provided me some entertainment, and I got to chill with this guy for a little while. Yeah. So anyway, later today, you look blurry. Gotta figure this out.
Work on.
I have a DIY denim box coming. My first one. It's gonna be a whole lot of denim. So that will be coming out soon. It will be a heavy one. I'll need you to carry it in here. So thank you guys so much for the support. Thanks for watching. And until next time, bye.